Hey everyone, it's Chris with Realty Executives, and I just wanted to take a few minutes of your time to go over the August 2022 real estate market report. So I don't want to waste too much of your time. Let's go dive into it. Let me share you my screen of what I'm looking at. Okay, here we go. So move this here. So as of April, we had 2,441 homes available. That is a 0.8 months supply of inventory. That is usually anywhere from 2.5 to 3 weeks of supply. This is when the market was really, really good, where we list a house and it would sell the next day or the day after with maybe 15 to 30 different offers, buyers paying above asking price and out of pocket just to get in a home. So we had 2,441 homes available as of April 2022. And let's jump into May. In May, inventory increased by 1.2 month supply. 3,570 homes available. That's a 75% increase from the previous month of April. Market was still good. We would list homes. It would sell the next day or two. Multiple offer situation as well, and people paying above asking price and out of pocket. And let's jump into June. And this is when the Feds did their first rate increase of 75 basis points. And then last week, they did the second increase of 0.75. June 2022, 2.2 month supply, 210% jump from the month of May, giving us 5,746 homes. 134% increase in inventory from the previous month. That's a lot. We're getting close to a very normal market, which is usually anywhere from 6,000 to 7,000 homes. And normally we would have anywhere from 3 to 4 months supply of inventory. So this is where we're at, guys. We have shifted drastically in the last 2 months. We are no longer in a market where we list a house for a specific amount of price and we would sell it within a day. That is no longer the case here. We are pretty much in a market similar to 2017 and 2018, where we have quite a lot of inventory, a normal market, 6,000 homes. And houses are staying much longer in the market, anywhere from, I would say, 20 to 60 days, depending on the pricing, how aggressively you price the home, the condition of the home, the location, and most importantly, access. So in this current market, when we have a lot of competition like what we're seeing now, we want to make sure that we price houses very aggressively. Number two, we want to make sure that we have a house that is in good condition. If not, we're gonna see buyers negotiate terms like you have to pay for closing costs, you have to fix this, so on and so forth. So number three would be access. We want to make sure that we have access to the home. And now area, I mean, it's still not a selling point, but the three main ones would be pricing, condition, and access. And as long as we have those three, we'd be able to sell a house within the next 30 days. But I just want to let everybody know that the market has shifted. It has changed. Houses are still selling. It's just taking a bit longer to get these homes sold. I don't want to say that it's a buyer's market yet, because the interest rates have gone up from what we normally have been seeing for the last 2 years of 2.5 to 3.25%. Now we're seeing them at 4.8, 5.25. And I have heard from other realtors that they're seeing them at 6%, depending on your situation. So a lot has changed, and I think it's not over yet. With inflation being at 9% in that area, I think it's much higher than what they are telling us. We will see as we go along the next coming months and get into the election in November. Right now, with the rate increase, it's disqualifying a lot of buyers in the market. So that's why we're seeing this trend of inventory increasing. Okay, so before I let everybody go, just a few expectations moving forward. Let me go ahead and unshare my screen. How do I do that? How do we unshare the screen here? Stop share. So just an expectation moving forward with this market. If you are looking to sell your home, you're going to see more competition, more houses in the market. So we'll need to price your home aggressively depending on what the goal is. If you need to sell fast, or we can kind of test out the market. There's still a lot of uncertainty. Okay. So, excuse me if you can hear my dogs. So houses are going to stay much longer in the market, an average of 20 to 45 days. If priced correctly, it'll be much faster. We will see less buyers due to the increase in mortgage rates. We will see the rates cool off though within the next year. I'm assuming we'll see where the midterm election goes. But I think right now they're holding off to a lot. And the thing is, we need to control that inflation. So more inventory, more options for buyer. We will see values start to drop because we're going to see price reductions. We're going to see homes that will expire on their listing. And we're going to see just this big retraction, not just on real estate, but everything else. So we're going to see the luxury market suffer again due to interest rates and a few other issues going on in the economy. We're going to see multi-families, rents, all of that. The last 2 years, I mean, anyone can sell a house, to be honest with you. You can put it in the market, it'll sell. Now it's going to take some skills and it's going to take some experience to correctly position a house in this new cycle. It's very close to a 2016, 17, and 18 market where you have to do quite some marketing. You want to make sure that the position on how you position the marketing on these homes are correctly being marketed to the buyers. But yeah, I mean, right now we are still, it's still too soon to say where things are gonna go. But just based on these statistics that we get from the Las Vegas Realtors Association, inventory is increasing, mortgage rates are higher. Yeah, big changes still coming up. So again, guys, this is Chris, Realty Executives. If you have any questions with what's going on with the market in the single family, condos, luxury, and multifamily, feel free to reach out to me. I have all the statistics you need. But at this time, still a lot of uncertainty. But as we go along, I'll continue to update you with what's going on. Again, this is Chris, Realty Executives. If you guys need anything, don't hesitate to give me a call. Have a great day. Bye-bye.